Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to log out other devices on your Instagram, right? So it's really easy. First of all, you have to just go and open your Instagram here. In the bottom right side corner you will see the profile icon. Go and tap there. Now on the top right side corner you will see the three horizontal lines. Again tap on it here. Now you will get this option of account center. Go and tap on it and let it open. Now here you have to go to this password and security. Now here you will get this two option where you are logged in and login alerts. So just click on where you're logged in. So I have logged in two different phone here. Now for example, I can just go there and it will show me in whichever devices I've logged in and everything. Now here you can click on select devices to log out. Now here for example, I want to log out from here or whichever devices, and once I tap on logout, it will get logout. So this is the easiest and the fastest method to do this. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.